Jai Shri Ram. One of my friend is joining with me. Good morning, Uday. Shelly tane. Hey Siri, what's the temperature now? Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. The time is like 4:15 am, early morning. We're heading for a breakfast ride with my crew. It's been 1 year. I've been joined with my riders group due to COVID impact. Finally, it's gonna be a year-end ride, so it will be a last breakfast ride. I mean December 2020 last breakfast ride. Hope next year maybe a lot of rides I expect. Yeah, too chill. You can see the fog. I don't know if you can see or not. Like 20% visibility. That's it. God, let me switch on the fog lights. I can't see anything. Can't see anything. Literally, like up to 10 to 20 meter distance I can see. Nothing more than that. God. It's 50 degrees Celsius. Wanna fuel up. I need a chai break. God, it's too chill. Literally, my visor is foggy. I can't see anything. I just need a chai break. And the petrol price is 86 rupees 0.51 paise. అవును. ಕ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Kilometer for the meetup destination. Riding early morning feels good in city. Literally zero traffic, you know. I hope it's recording. Still 1.7 kilometer. Oh, I'm the fourth person to come. Hey bro. Hey, hi. Morning.
Service done or service not done after engine change? No much difference. Doesn't feel. But now I can feel it.
Up to 6,000 kilometers we can ride, right?
Like what?
With one service.
With one.
But Likumoli says that we can ride up to 10,000 kilometers, but I don't trust.
I don't really recommend that. You know, that will down the line that will degrade your engine.
Max 7,000.
6,000, 7,000. But even in 6,000 kilometers, I mean, like, get your bike periodically checked. Basic dry servicing, that should be done.
Hi bro. Morning. Hi bro. Hi. Morning. Good morning. Bro, Uday, new job, what a film. Hi. Morning. Morning.
Mine is not coming.
Seriously?
So he had some urgent thing, so he will not be able to make it. So I'll be leading today's ride.
Yeah.
We'll discuss who's going to be the marshal and who's going to be the sweep. And I'll explain everything. But before that, we'll take your temperature readings.
Yeah.
Sachin. First one. Nilesh. Uday.
Just got a fuel break. It's a fuel break. Mine is, I just filled it up. We just fueled up and we are just heading for the waterfall. I don't know the name of the waterfall. Just check out the navigation. Due to COVID-19, there are less number of riders. Usually there will be like 40 to 50 riders. Now there are like 28 riders, I think so. I'm not sure. The time is like 6:35. The fog is literally like 50%. It's too chill. Visibility is okay, but chillness is too high. Guys, I'll just show you the place. It's literally crazy. It's a little bit risky taking a sport bike into off-road. Tire grip is literally zero.